Today in this video, I'm going to share with you the best indicator that I have found for the year 2023 till now, and I have tested multiple indicators, and this indicator combined with the strategy that I'm going to show you in this video works out really well. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before we do that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, as this channel is currently new and I'm trying to post consistently, bringing you new indicators and strategies every week. First of all, let's go ahead and apply the indicator that is the best in 2023. So let's go towards the indicator tab, and here we're going to search for Super Bollinger Bands indicator, and this indicator is created by Zerman, so we're going to add this one to the chart. Now this indicator is really special because it combines two indicators, and this indicator works out very well in all market conditions. This indicator was made by fusing the two indicators together, the SuperTrend and the Bollinger Bands. And this indicator aims to provide the traders with a more comprehensive view of the market, accounting for the both volatility and the trend direction. So volatility can impact the trend by expanding, as you can see here, or contracting, and it triggers a lot of reversal, leading to the breakouts and influencing the risk management decisions. How we can use this trend is we can look for the trend reversals. For example, as we can see here, the trend is reversing and the indicator gave us this red triangle, which means that this is a sell signal. And also here we can see that this is a buy signal where there is a change of trend from this bearish to bullish. This indicator also helps with the volatility breakouts, because volatility can trigger breakouts in the trend, and breakouts occur when the price levels break through a significant support or resistance level. For example, here we can see that there is a very significant support level forming here, but here we can see the market move very quickly upward, and then here we can see that this support level has been broken. So because of the high volatility in this area, the support level that had been created at this level here had been broken, and the more the volatility, the higher the momentum of the buyers or sellers that will be coming into the market. Now let's go ahead and modify the settings of this indicator. So for that, we're going to go towards the setting tab, and inside here we're going to go towards the style and uncheck this Super Bollinger trend, so that we'll only be seeing these labels that are red and green in color. And also we're going to uncheck these lines and tables. So now we can see the indicator is giving us these clear signals based upon the Super Trend and the Bollinger Bands in its settings. But this indicator on its own does not work out perfectly. As you can see here, their indicator is giving us this sell signal, but the trend is already changing into bullish one. And also here we can see that the market is about to get reversed, and the indicator is giving us this buy signal. So in order to optimize this, we're going to use another indicator, that is the machine learning moving averages indicator. So we're going to search for AI moving averages, and we're going to add this one by Zerman to the chart. Now once this indicator is added, we're going to go ahead and change its setting. First of all, we're going to go into a setting, and inside the inputs we're going to change the amount of historical data to all data. And also we're going to optimize our goal, because here we want to look for the more win rate. So we're going to optimize our moving averages to the win rate, and also we're going to activate the machine learning and change the length of this fast period EMA from 50 to 20. Now once these settings are done, we're going to go ahead and hit OK, and you can see that now we are seeing two moving averages. These moving averages work a little bit different than the normal exponential moving averages, because they are being optimized by the algorithm in form of artificial intelligence. So now both the indicators have been added. Let me just show you the overview of the strategy that we're going to use. So whenever the slow period EMA is at the bottom and the fast period EMA is above it, as you can see, the market is mostly in the bullish momentum. And also whenever the market is in a condition where the fast period EMA is below the slow period EMA, that is when the market is in bearish direction. So we're going to use this AI exponential moving averages as our confluence for taking trades with the Super Bollinger Trend indicator, and we're going to avoid any buy signals that come in the sell direction, and alternately we're going to avoid any sell signals that come in the bullish trend, as you can see here. So now let's go ahead and talk about the trading rules for taking long and short positions using this strategy. So to take long entries, following conditions must be satisfied. First of all, the market should be in a condition where the fast period EMA, as you can see here, which is blue in color, should cross above this slow period EMA, as you can see what is happening here. And now we want to wait for the market to pull back into this faster period EMA. For example, here you can see the market pulled into this EMA here, and here the signal was printed. So we're going to go ahead and take a long position at the close of this candle here, and we'll be looking for our take profit in the 2:1 ratio, and also we're gonna put our stop loss at the low of this swing low, and we're gonna put our take profit at 2:1 ratio. So let me just go ahead and adjust our take profit level, and as you can see here, this trade is a profitable trade. And again, here we can see the market pulling back into this fast period EMA, and again there is a buy signal issue. So we're gonna go ahead and take a long position at the close of this candle here, and we're gonna put our stop loss at the last swing low, and we're gonna optimize our strategy for 2:1 ratio. Now here you can see again that this is a profitable trade of 2:1 ratio, and again here you can see the market did not pull back, because if you see the difference, the market pulled back into this faster period EMA when this signal was issued, but in this case here the market is already moving below this fast period EMA, so we will not consider this signal. We are only going to consider the buy signals that are issued when the market pulls back into this fast period EMA, and this is very important. And also we're going to avoid any sell signals that are issued in this bullish direction. Now let's go ahead and talk about the trading rules for taking short positions, and the rules are as follows. First of all, their fast period EMA should cross below this slow period EMA, as you can see here, and also the market must pull back into this fast period EMA so that we can take a short position. And also there should be a sell signal printed by the SuperTrend Bollinger Bands indicator. So we're going to go ahead and take a short position at the close of this candle here, and again we're going to optimize our strategy for 2:1 ratio. So we're going to put our stop loss at above this swing low, and we're going to target 2:1 ratio, which you can see gets easily met here. And also we're going to look for any other signal. Now here you can see market pulled back into this area, and then it gave this very big impulsive bearish move, but here you can see the market is already ranging, and the market is crossing this fast period EMA multiple times. So it's not actually pulling back, it's just going above and below. The market is just moving above and below this fast period EMA, so we will not consider this sell signal. And similar is the case with the buy signals. Here you can see that there is clearly a pullback into this faster period EMA, and we can see the market issuing this sell signal as well. So we can go ahead and take a short position at the close of this candle here, and we can again put our stop loss above this swing low and target 2:1 ratio, which you can see easily gets met here. So this trading strategy, as you can see, works out really well. And again there is another sell signal issued, and we can put our entry at the close of this candle here, and we'll be targeting 2:1 ratio by putting our stop loss above this swing low, and here you can see that our 2:1 ratio gets easily met here. So as you can see, the strategy works out really well, and I have tested this multiple times. That's why I have chosen this indicator to be the best indicator of 2023 that I have found till now. If you want to show your support to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, as this channel is currently new and I try to bring you consistently the new indicators and strategies. And also, if you have any questions regarding this strategy or any other strategy, or if you have a special request, please mention that in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.